Hi, this is Stacia, and I wanted to share another tactics puzzle with you. So it's white to move and win in this position. So if you'd like to pause your video, then do so now, and then I'll share the solution. Okay, and the correct move in this position is knight to e8, check. So hopefully you saw this. Um, a move that's tempting here is rook takes c5. You may have noticed that the knight is defending the queen, and the queen is x-rayed by our queen. So a tempting move here would be like rook takes c5, followed by knight e8 check, winning the queen. But the problem with this is when the rook takes here, this does come with check. So there's this discovery on our king. And at this point, the computer gives knight d5 as the best move, in which case, check. Yeah, this is just completely losing. So that move doesn't work. Knight e8 check is the winning move. And black cannot sack the exchange here, because if they do you see what white would do? Rook takes f7 check. And when black moves, checkmate. All right, so knight e8 check. The best move for black here is king g8. And now what should white play? Yeah, so we have another check. So knight f6 check. And unfortunately for black, the best move in this position is to actually sack the exchange. So this does come with check. And then we would play queen takes, knight takes, rook takes f6. And now the queens are off the board and we're in exchange up, so this is winning. But if black doesn't sack the exchange here, it's a very pretty mate. So, all right, so knight e8 check. And black could go here, king g7. And now what's the move for white in this position? Yeah, and it's a beautiful move. Queen takes f8 check. So what we have here is a nice setup for an Arabian mate. The Arabian mate consists of a knight and a rook. And the knight is usually, well, it's always placed on a square like f6 or f3, c3 or c6. And the idea is that the knight is actually controlling these two squares. And so if you can put your rook on one of those two squares, it's checkmate for the black king. So in this case, the next move here is to just take the queen. And now check. And as you can see, the king only has one square now. And this is checkmate. So the rook covers along this file. And the knight takes away the only square for the king, and it's defended by another piece, which is usually the case. So again, I'll just fly through. It goes knight e8 check, king goes here, we check the king, he moves, we sack the queen, he takes, and now we have this Arabian mate. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this tactics puzzle, and thanks for watching.